This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 21st, 2022. It's currently March 25th, 2022, roughly 1 a.m. The overall theme and behavior is the Prince of Wands. That's a notable rally that picks up momentum and incline, if you will, as we move forward in time. There's that unicursal again. Wow. Last time I saw a unicursal that frequently in a set of dailies for 1 month was actually February. Oy, oy, oy. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 21st, 2022. It's currently April 8th, 12:35 a.m. So the overall theme and behavior is a rally that picks up momentum and incline, if you will, as it progresses forward. When I look at the overview, we've got two trade opportunities here, and then we have a trade opportunity. It's like here. A lot of stuff going on. Okay, so there's a fake out around the high in the midst of some volatility, and the behavior going into the low is a decline that picks up momentum as we move forward in time. There's a sharp decline through an important support level in the pre-market, a pop-up through resistance, followed by a breakdown through that same price level briefly thereafter, right around the open. And then there's trade opportunity first thing in the morning in the midst of a pop higher, but that's not a lasting move. We move much lower in the morning, continue to break down between roughly 10 and 11 into all the way into the roughly a low correlation somewhere in the let's say 12 to 1 o'clock ish hour. There's an opportunity in there to open up some long positions and cash in on some short positions. Something that was previously unknown or hidden is revealed. It causes a big move to the upside, and there's an opportunity to trade in the midst of that move. Looks like a big move higher in there, but that level is. That level isn't revisited, so we move higher. There's an opportunity to close those long positions, and then we break down through support, through multiple support levels, in the midst of a scary decline in the last 2 hours. Let's say that scary decline. After that sharp rally midday, there's a scary decline from that peak in roughly the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, and then there's an attempt to salvage the day in the last hour, a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a decline, but it doesn't mark the end. It just seems like it's marking the end, and it doesn't mark the end. There's a high there towards the very end of the day, but it's a fake out. Because we've fallen too far to salvage that, and we continue to decline right around the close off of a peak. We decline sharply into the post market. And that's April 21st, 2022. Quite the opposite of the prior day, which has been moved to the upside. There is a big push there, guys, in the remember, a fast sudden move higher there towards the early afternoon. All right, guys, so if you like this sort of stuff, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Share the video with your friends and let everybody know, like, there's somebody actually doing predicting the stock market like this. It's possible, guys. If you can predict the stock market with this kind of accuracy and this consistency, what else can't you do? What else can't you time, my friends? I'd like to hear it. All right, guys, so I'll see y'all later. Love you. I'll see you later.